To minimize shipping costs, when shipping the Dragonfly kayak, we configure the boat for the smallest possible volume. Here is how to reconfigure for use. The boat comes bundled tightly. First, unwind the drawstring line from an end and remove the compression strap. Now you can spread that end open, and while holding the end up slightly, push down the 5 X's. If there is too much resistance, spread the end a bit more. Now we'll have a close-up of those X's here in a little bit, but you can see it configures like this then. Now pulling the drawstring, we gather that end together, and using a simple slip knot or loop knot, hold it in place. We can pop some of the vertical folds and compress the end. Here's that close-up I promised. You see, you spread it open and there are X's, 5 of them across the end. Just push those down, helps to hold the end up with the other hand. And that reverses some folds and causes the end to sweep up. Now you pull that slack out and it gathers the end. Makes it easier to tie off the end if we first compress the boat a little farther up. So using one of the compression straps, loop that around and tighten that down so that it'll make your job easier. Of course, if you have a helper, a second pair of hands can make this all go much faster. I like to tuck the loose ends in, keep them from dangling around. Now we want to compress this down and secure a tight loop to hold it all together. We want most of the slack out, but it doesn't have to be super tight. The loose end can be threaded through the corner holes here and here, and can be used to further compress the boat at that point. Again, we use a simple slip knot to hold it in place. The same operation is used on the other end.